The mood of the voters and the cadres, both were enthusiastic. And Annan Edapadiyar, when he came to Solinganallur also, because it is within the South Chennai constituency, I participated. Yesterday also, as BJP leader, I participated. It was a grand show, and there was clearly a mood towards NDA. We could see the people who were greeting, and the people were telling that women are not safe. So we are very clear about our victory. The beginning itself is a great start yesterday, so definitely we will win.
Tamil Nadu Minister Shekhar Babu was suggesting that standing with Edappadi Palaniswamy, you and Dr. Rao, Congress leader, and Tamil Madila Congress, N.G.K. Vasan, how can you criticize us as a dynasty party?
No, he cannot comment on me, because I did not come as a dynastic political leader. I came from the Congress background family, but did not become the member of Congress. If I would have become a member of Congress, and if I would have enjoyed the political power of my father, you could say that I am a dynast. But I chose my party. 27 years back, I became a BJP member, envying my father. And you cannot tell that I am a dynasty politician. And another thing I am telling, Shekhar Babu was grown by Amma, shifted to Appa. Political Amma and political Appa. I didn't do that. Even my Appa was Congress leader, but I chose my leader to be Modi ji. So I did not deceive my Amma and go to Appa. So he cannot talk about Amma, Appa and all. I can very well say.
Shivashankar, Tamil Nadu Minister, releasing a message that the false propaganda has been done on by the BJP and ADMK alliance regarding the women's safety. He stated that here the women's safety is there, and he also stated that it is the BJP leaders in Delhi who dictates here what.
Now only one thing, I am asking Shivashankar to take a ticket to Blatikulam. Go and meet the parents of the girl. Where is safety? A girl who was studying for the +2, even her book was not closed. It was open. Within 10 minutes, she went for a natural call. And another thing, high corruption in this government. There was a toilet built on the scheme of our Honorable Prime Minister. Why Honorable Prime Minister introduced the Swachh Bharat? He clearly said women should not go for natural calls openly. But it was locked. She was unable to use that toilet. So I am asking, in Tamil Nadu, protection is for toilet or women? She was unable to go. Then another thing, the culprit was released. And he was a known culprit. Why didn't they follow him? So these are all the failures of the government. So how can they say women are safe? Even if a single girl child is spoiled, there is no any safety for women. I'm really very angry. For one Nirbhaya, whole Delhi revolted. So many Nirbhaya cases are here. What to do? So only change of government will protect the women in Tamil Nadu. I can boldly say this.